Hello everyone, we will show you the basic skills in volleyball. But in this video, we will discuss two basic skills in volleyball. So, let's start. Serving. A serve starts every point in volleyball and is among one of the most important aspects of the game. Because rally scoring is used, a team can lose point if a player is unable to serve the ball over the net and inside the opponent's court. There are different types of serves, but now we will discussing the two types of serve. First, we will discuss the underhand serve. An underhand serve is usually the easiest to learn. Using this serve, beginning players often have better control over where the ball will land and thus are able to target specific areas of the court. Additionally, an underhand is typically easier to return as well.
To perform an underhand serve, the player should first create a face with your dominant hand. Second, rotates arm so that the head of the hand is facing up. Third, holds ball loosely at hip height in non-dominant hand. Fourth, extends dominant arm, serving arm backwards. Fifth, lead with your non-dominant foot. At last, follow through with the arm. Second type of serve is overhand serve. An overhand serve has more speed and power than an underhand serve, but is often harder to control. Players should practice and try to use it since the return for the opponents will be more challenging. To perform an overhand serve, the player should step forward with the foot opposite the serving hand. Creates a bow and arrow with serving arm. Tosses the ball 3 to 4 feet above your head. Contacts ball with open palm. And last, follows through and transfers weight from the back to front. Okay, so let's proceed to the second basic skill in volleyball, the forearm passing. The first ball that comes over the net should be passed to your setter to set up your offense. Passing is a very important skill in volleyball and involves setting up your offense. You want to have control over your bump and get it high and close enough to your setter to give your setter an easy chance to set someone for a spike. Bumping is a fundamental part of volleyball, and without it, your team will likely not have a strong offense. To perform a forearm pass, the player should keep fingers at 90-degree angle, bring thumbs together, keep your arms fully extended, assume an athletic stance, keep hands ready, and contact the balls with forearm and shrug the shoulders. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you learned from our video and don't forget to subscribe. See you for our next video. Goodbye!